Good evening. For the first time in 12 years, Fort Wayne and Allen County Police will enforce the curfew law.
It's to make sure that kids are safe, but also to keep parents in line. News Channel 15's Kelly Roberts has our top story now from our newsroom. Kelly.
If a child is caught out past curfew times, that could mean charges against the parents. This announcement comes after a summer filled with juvenile crime.
My mother always said nothing good happens after midnight.
If that's the case, police have seen it.
So far this year, the Fort Wayne Police Department has had 416 juvenile investigations between the hours of midnight and 5 a.m.
Throughout the whole year, at any time, that number is 579. A curfew is being enforced for Allen County's children and teens. 15 to 17-year-olds can't be in a public place between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. on weeknights and 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. on weekends. The largest message leaders have is to parents, not kids. If a child is picked up after curfew and is taken home, but there is no parent or the scene is unsafe, the child will be taken to the juvenile center. If a child is caught enough times, the parents could face the charges.
That case is going to be forwarded to my office for the possibility of filing felony charges for neglect of a dependent.
Know where your kids are. Be responsible. Just know where your kids are.
Juvenile Court Judge Dan Heath says 15% of violent juvenile crime happens on the weekends after curfew hours. However, the majority happens on school days in the evenings before 11 p.m. He says curfew enforcement is just the beginning.
That's another thing for this community to consider, is to make certain that we have after-school activities and that this community looks at putting together programs that finds the spark or the passion in a juvenile that keeps him out of trouble.
Coming up at 6, find out if police are planning any curfew blitz anytime soon. Yesterday, Wayne.com put up a poll asking if you think if a juvenile curfew is a good idea. It's our most popular poll yet, with more than 5,000 of you responding. You can find that poll still on this story on Wayne.com. Live in the newsroom, Kelly Roberts, News Channel 15.